Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Number 1. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre occurred on 13th April 1919. Number 2. The massacre was ordered by Brigadier General Reginald Dare. Number 3. It happened in Amritsar, Punjab, India. Number 4. Thousands of Indians had gathered for a peaceful protest. Number 5. Without warning, Dare ordered his troops to open fire. Number 6. The firing lasted for about 10 minutes. Number 7. The crowd was trapped inside the walled garden. Number 8. Over 1,000 people were killed and many more were injured. Number 9. The massacre caused outrage across India. Number 10. The site of the massacre is now a national memorial. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.